Home remedies for yellow jacket stings. Yellow jackets are often mistakenly called bees due to their stinging and striking similarly in size and appearance. However, yellow jackets are usually a wasp that have black and yellow stripes on the body. These small insects are often foraging for food and usually do not sting unless physically threatened. If they feel their nest in the danger, they start defending it and in the process may attack people around them. The sting of a yellow jacket is painful and each of them is capable of delivering the multiple stings. A mild sting can cause redness, swelling, pain, itchiness, and inflammation in the affected area.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Number 1 is cold compress. To reduce the pain and itching, apply cold compresses on the affected area before you put anything else on it. Cold compress will reduce the swelling and inflammation by numbing the nerves. A 2006 study published in the Clinical Techniques in the Small Animal Practice reports the ice or wool compress along with the topical lidocaine or corticosteroid dilution are critical in successful management of yellow jacket stings. In a bowl of cold water, add a few ice cubes, put a piece of cloth on it, and then bring it up the excess water and then place the cloth directly on the affected area. Leave it on for 10 minutes, repeat 2 to 3 times daily, watching 15 minutes between the applications. Number 2 is baking soda. Baking soda is an effective natural cure for yellow jacket stings. The alkaline nature of the baking soda helps to neutralize the sting. This provides instant relief from the pain and itching. Plus, being an anti-inflammatory agent, it helps to reduce the swelling, inflammation, and redness. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of the baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply the paste on the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. If needed, repeat after a few hours. Number 3 is vinegar. Both the vinegar and apple cider vinegar work as effective remedies for insect bites and stings. The acetic acid present in the vinegar has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce the swelling and inflammation. It can also help to neutralize the acid in the venom to relieve the pain and itching. Soak a cotton ball in the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. Hold the cotton ball over the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat as needed. Number 4 is honey. Honey is another great remedy that provides instant relief from the symptoms of the yellow jacket sting. The enzyme in the honey helps to neutralize the venom and the affected site. This helps to reduce the pain and itching within a few minutes. Plus, it has antibacterial properties that prevent the infection. Honey also works from the wasp and orange stings. Spread pure raw honey gently on the affected area. Leave it on for about 30 minutes or until the honey dries up. Then rinse it off with warm water. Use it as lotion a few times daily for a couple of days. Number 5 is plantain. Plantain leaves are often recommended by healthy experts for their healing and properties for quick relief from the yellow jacket sting symptoms. The anti-inflammatory nature of the leaves help to reduce the pain, swelling, and itching. Also, the antibacterial property reduces the risk of an infection, which can delay healing. Extract the juice from the plain leaves by crushing them gently with your hand. Apply the juice on the affected area. Allow it to dry, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily for a couple of days.